Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in a bit of a mess here. There's just stuff everywhere. Mill machine, everything, it's all a bit messy, and that's all because I've got myself a new lathe. Smart and Brown 2-room lathe, absolutely bargain, and well, eBay, I love eBay. I had to go and buy it, pretty local, so yeah, I'll just flip the camera around and then we'll have a bit of a look at how it is. So yeah, Smart and Brown 2-room lathe, absolutely beast. Probably a bit big for what I actually need, but it's bigger than my old my myford ML4, and I said to myself, right, I want a new lathe. I wasn't going to get it this early on. I was going to wait and see what come on for sale like the end of summer, but yeah, I've been and picked this up. Absolutely cracking thing, I absolutely love it. Does need a good clean. It's 3-phase, so 415 volts, but I'm going to wire up a VFD for it. I'm going to take all this light off, take it all off. I've got a new light, it's been a little trip to IKEA, got myself a new light. It's all got, someone's gone through the time and put a new like the feed rate and everything on there, which is fucking absolutely sound. But yeah, absolutely made up with it. Like I say, it's a bit OTT for what I need, but go big or go home. That's what I say. Yeah, absolutely love the thing. Comes with 3-jaw chuck. Also comes with 4-jaw chuck, which is a bonus. Where I picked it up from, they said it's an old British aerospace lathe. So yeah, absolutely made up with the thing. I've got a VFD on order. Yep, Smart and Brown London. So what I'm going to do is, I might not film it in this video, but what I want to do is just give it a really good clean. New gearbox oil, lubricate everything up, clean everything. All these need, you know, get a wire brush on them, give them a good clean. Just clean everything up. I say new lights on the back. I don't need that framework that the light's on, I'll just bolt the new light onto that itself rather than have the angle on the back. So, but yeah, I got it for the bargain. So it was something that I wanted on, something later on in the year, but they come up. I was actually shocked of how much it actually went for. yeah, it's in good nick. It just needs a good clean, but I'm well happy with it. Say I've ordered a VFD. That'll go somewhere on that wall there. I'll redo the electrics, and little VFD on there. Also, I might even change that board so I can put some good shelving on there, so I can put tool posts on there, and because I want to change that, put a quick change tool post on. See, it even comes with the stop that someone's gone to the time and made. But yeah, I absolutely love it. What I need to do is give it a good clean, grease it all up, new oil in the gearbox, fresh oil. The belts are in very good condition, so I'll leave them on for now, but I might just buy spares because you never know. And then hopefully, once it's all clean and the VFD's on the wall, I can actually put it back in place because it's about 2 foot away from the wall. So I can get it in place and sort all that mess out. There's a fire going there. But yeah, so I'm made up with it. It's definitely OTT to what I need. But yeah, I love it. Right, so I've done lathe in its place where I want it. So it's only a couple of inches now off the wall. More than happy with that. I was going to go down the route with VFD, but I've actually bought one of these cheap off eBay. And I have it on 3.5 horsepower all the time. I have it permanently switched on, and then what I do is I turn it on the wall there, so I don't have to mess about with settings and stuff like that. But yeah, that's sound, that it's what I do is turn it on, works the power, turn it on there, and then turn the power on. Works absolutely spot on, that does. What I need. Forward. Say that's on down there. Power off. Power on. Works absolutely fantastic. Well made up with it. There was a back plate here on the back. Got rid of that. Changed the wall. So now I've got just the actual wall. I put a new board on the wall. That's sound. Put a new chart up. Put Allen keys here, metric imperial, and then screwed my old IKEA light on the wall. So just screwed in there. I say it's just light on, light off, happy days with that. So yeah, absolutely made up with it. It sits well there. Done a couple of test cuts with it. I am well made up with it. So yeah, that's the Smart & Brown lathe. All in position, all fully up and running. So I've got my light working, got my backboard. Probably going to put a couple of shelves on there, maybe for just tooling, or so eventually I want to change this tool post. And maybe put a quick set tool post in, but yeah, extremely happy with what I got. So yeah, a couple of shelves on the wall there for tooling, stuff like that. But yeah, extremely happy with how I've got it all set up. So yeah, so that's it really. So if you're liking the new lathe, drop your thoughts, comments down below. Thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.